Hello, my name is Chloe, and today I'll be covering how to sort data on Microsoft Excel. As stated in the name, the sort function can sort the context in a selected range or array, and this is typically used to organize the data in your sheet according to your needs. This is important because it allows your sheet to be easier to read and displays your data organized in a way that maximizes its use. You can focus on data based on its importance level. Here, the sheet lists the different types of permits from different residences within the city, the cost, which day it occurred on, the month, and so on. And this is, yeah. So this is a lot of information to process. Let's say I wanted to group it by the type of project permit here and within a single month, and then by the cost of the permit fees. So first, we're going to select the range that we want to sort on. And in this example, we will be sorting July. Go ahead and highlight this. And I'm making sure to highlight the entire row, not just the row that I'm changing, so that once we do sort it, all of the according information will move along with it. So now we're on the data tab and we'll click on the sort button. So since the month and day are already sorted, we're going to begin by sorting by the column name project. Sort on the cell values. So it'll analyze what's inside the cell. And then we'll have it ordered alphabetically from A to Z. So we'll click OK. And as you can see, now it's listed alphabetically, starting with addition, all the way down to Windows. And of course, the information has moved along with it. So now it's not ordered by the day it was done. Now it's just done by the name of the project alphabetically. And we can even go further and add a level to this. So I have a second set of um, sort function it'll be sorting by. So we'll begin by adding level, then by the column name fee, again on cell values. And this time we'll go from largest to smallest to see which ones costed the most or which ones spent the most money on these fees. So we'll click OK. And as you can see now, it's still first listed in the order of alphabetically by the project name. And then now, if you can see on this remodel section, as I did in the sort function, we're starting from the largest value to the smallest. And again, it's still in the order of alphabetically by the project name. And you can apply this to any range that you want by one level of sorting or even more. It's helpful if you wanted to see just one value within, like, let's say the entire quarter of these 3 months, like which residency spent the most on projects or um, what kind of projects were the most popular. The possibilities are endless, where you can use the sort function, and it's a wonderful way to help you organize your data and use it to your advantage when filling in reports or analyzing information. Thank you for watching.